Hi, I'm Noah Bott, founder and head of the School for Ethics and Global Leadership. Today we're going to look at the completed first phase of our residential building renovations. As many of you know, a few years ago we launched and completed a $3 million capital campaign to purchase and renovate 202 and 204 East Capitol here in Washington, D.C. Let's take a look at what we've done so far. So here we are in the first of two new basement faculty apartments. Each of these apartments has its own ensuite bathroom, enough space for a full-size bed and study space, and there's much more light and much more height down here than ever before. Let's go down the hallway to another important new feature of this basement, a brand new faculty laundry. Behind this door is the second newly renovated faculty basement apartment, and behind this door is an entryway to the west side of the building so that both faculty members on this side of the building are able to supervise students on both sides upstairs. Here we are in our west snack room, and behind me you can see perhaps the most important part of our renovations process. A door that did not exist just a few months ago, combining the west side of our dormitory with the stern side of our dormitory. This has dramatically improved our community dynamic and also reduced faculty supervision time. The other thing in this room I want to show you is this wall, which has existed as long as we've been in the building. In the next few months, we're going to tear down this wall to create a new common space that will be named for recently retired SEGL teaching legend Mike Michelson. Just off the new Mike Michelson Commons is a new faculty living space. You may remember that this used to be our west kitchen. Over the summer, we demolished the old kitchen cabinetry and replaced it with a much more efficient faculty kitchen console, creating a studio apartment that is much, much better than what we used to call the shoebox faculty apartment over in Stern. Here we are in our newly renovated Stern kitchen, which now serves both sides of our residential building. It's much more user-friendly and also much more safe. As you can see, we have brand new commercial refrigerators, we've got brand new double wall ovens, we've got a brand new induction cooktop, a brand new commercial dishwasher, brand new cabinets that create much more storage space, and a brand new stainless steel island that doubles as the table for our Stern dinner group. Well, there you have it. Those are our Phase 1 renovations. Those renovations are made possible by each one of you. Thank you so much for your donations, for your support, for your ideas, and I can't wait for Phase 2. If you'd like to donate to the Phase 2 renovations, you can go to schoolforethics.org and select our Giving tab. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.